A California court has dismissed the criminal charges against Indian origin doctor Neha Patel, who has been accused of driving his Tesla off 250-foot cliff with his wife and two children inside the vehicle. The incident happened on January 2, 2023 at Devil's Slide along with the Pacific Coast Highway in California. Patel, his wife Neha Patel, and their two children who were 4 and 7 at the time of the crash basically survived the crash. Now, rescue officials describe the survival as an absolute miracle. Patel has been charged with 3 counts of attempts of murder. However, a San Mateo court judge dismissed the charges after Patel successfully completed a 2-year-old court-approved mental health diversion program. According to the Associated Press, the treatment program included the care for a standoff university psychiatrist and family therapist. California's mental health diversion and the law allows the eligible defendants with the qualifying of the mental health conditions just to receive a treatment instead of standing trial, provided that they meet the court's requirement. Prosecutors had opposed Patel's divergent request, arguing that the attempt of the murder charges should not qualify the program. But the court found him ineligible, and then the lawyers presented the evidence that had been suffering an episodic major depression with hallucinations at time of the crash. During the early hearings, psychiatrists testified that Patel was experiencing a psychic breakdown when he drove the car off the cliff, and the court records suggest that Patel later told psychiatrists that he had become delusional and feared that his children would be kidnapped and trafficked. San Mateo County District Attorney Steve said that the court was legally required to dismiss the charges once Patel completed his treatment and program. He also said prosecutors would continue seeking the changes to the California's mental health division law. For the Indian diaspora, the case has drawn attention because it involves an Indian origin medical professional, as well as it raised questions about mental health, family support, and how the courts can handle special cases involving psychiatric conditions. After his release in 2024, Patel underwent the outpatient treatment and living in the strict court impositions conditions, including GPS monitoring, and required the reporting requirements. Well, overall, the court allowed him to reunite with his family and children who had moved to San Francisco Bay Area. Patel's wife had earlier told the court that she had forgiven him and did not want him to be prosecuted. Following the dismissal of the charges, Patel and his wife left the courthouse together, reunited. And this case reminds significantly that not only because of the dramatic survival of the family, but also of the highlights of the growing role of the mental health and the treatment within American justice system.